Westy Window Wagon with new tools from WCR. Today we've got a good one. It's gutter season, gutter cleaning. The leaves are falling. This is the gutter cleaner. Real handy tool for scooping the debris out of the gutters. Also has Acme threads or broomstick threads here. You can screw onto your pole to give you more of an outreach from your ladder. Some standoffs, go up, reach out and clean 6 feet to the right, 6 feet to the left. It also has a way for the drainage when you scoop the shingle debris and leaves and dirt and all that. The water can drain out. If you're dealing with wet gutters, which you probably will be at some point. Brand new tool here, not really brand new, but a new tool to Westy Window Wagon for this channel. Reach out to me, subscribe, call me, DM me. Any way you can reach me if you need any help or need some gutter cleaning tools. Westy Window Wagon.